My Facebook lit up, is how I knew about the shooting. And it was very early on Saturday morning. Yesterday afternoon, stopped by at 3 and started counting bullet holes, trying to, from my point of view, to reconstruct what had happened. As you can tell by looking at the sign, the clubhouse is not only a gun-free, but a weapon-free zone. And the members of the club have always told me that they don't allow weapons inside. The guys that belong to the club that I've met and talked to have wives and kids and own houses and have jobs. But the only thing different between me and them is they ride motorcycles and I ride horses. I don't think they're choir boys by a long shot, but do I think that they're a gang? No. Do I think they're engaged in illegal activities? No. If I thought either one of those, they wouldn't be tenants in my building. I've seen nothing here among the people that come to this club that would cause me to have any reason to believe they caused what happened. I can only believe that they were attacked and they did what anybody else would do. They defended themselves.